This is going to be the biggest week for XRP and cryptocurrencies ever, and I actually mean that. And anytime in the past, I've actually always meant it. But literally, this is going to be the biggest week cryptocurrencies XRP has ever seen. We have three massive catalysts this week for XRP, actually even more catalysts. We have three crypto bills. We have adoption taking place. Whales are making the biggest moves on XRP, and similar cryptocurrencies and altcoins is going to get absolutely massive. Can XRP go to $589? Is this actually a meme? Can this actually take place? How high is XRP going to be going? We have so much to talk about in this video. So if you guys love XRP, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so we can share it with other people in the XRP community. They really need to hear it. And make sure that you also stick around to the end of this video. If we take a look at the XRP charts here, ladies and gentlemen, we could see XRP hit nearly $3. And if we zoom out here, we could see that XRP is on a parabolic move. This is not one of these choppy moves that comes down very quickly. No, this is a parabolic move, which we have seen when XRP broke $1. Parabolic move, we pulled back about 20%, and that was your opportunity to get in if you missed XRP, and it kept going another 3x and more. I think XRP could be potentially right here repeating this particular move here, which it was at $1 and it went way up. So XRP could potentially be here, ladies and gentlemen, following that fractal. And if we do follow that fractal, XRP could potentially pull back to around $2.50. So if you did miss the train for XRP, or you didn't have enough in this trend here, $2.50 could be an area to buy before we continue trending up higher. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin now, today, and it is still the weekend, so it's still early, but Bitcoin is struggling to break above 119,000. If Bitcoin continues to find resistance here, which if we look at my Twitter, we could see that the Binance whales are selling. They're selling Bitcoin on spot. And that means that we're probably going to find resistance here very soon for Bitcoin, which if Bitcoin finds resistance, XRP might slow down and probably will slow down. And just for a couple of days or so. And I do expect with all these bullish catalysts taking place this week, these crypto bills, that cryptos are going to continue pushing up higher. And now what we are seeing this evening, breaking news, is that Fed fund futures rates are pointing towards a rate cut taking place much sooner. So this is very, very good. Rate cuts with all this regulatory clarity coming for XRP and cryptos. This is going to push XRP massively. And again, we also have an XRP ETF about to be approved, which is another major catalyst. XRP could also be capturing a portion of this $21 trillion SWIFT volume. And Brad Garlinghouse has hinted that we could capture about 14% of SWIFT's volume. And if this took place, if XRP started doing this type of volume, 14% of it, this is what could actually push XRP to the hundreds of dollars, potentially. Let me know if you guys think that's even realistic. This is also a very positive sign. Whales soar to new highs as price jumps 10%. So guess what? 47 billion XRP tokens are now held by whales. And this is looking like a very positive sign. They're continuing to hold, they're not selling. This is very, very, very bullish. And look at this. This guy is saying, according to these metrics, that altcoin season has started. It's crazy to see how cryptos, when everything's very boring, they start waking up and taking off very, very quickly. And that's how the crypto market works. So it's always good to be in position to some degree in case crazy events happen like this, like that. The volume for XRP is continuing to surge. I mean, guys, this is getting absolutely crazy. We have coins like XLM. This thing is massively up. It's at 50 cents already. Cardano, 73 cents. Solana, $1.60. Algorand has been pumping crazy. It's 26 cents. HBAR also going absolutely insane, 24 cents. These are some very bullish coins that do move with the price of XRP. Let me know if you guys are bullish on these coins, if you hold them, and your thoughts on them in the comments below. But make sure that you guys are in the Patreon. We bought the majority of these coins I just mentioned at the very bottom every single crash. And if you followed these spot alerts, you'd be up in massive profits. And we started buying and trading XRP at 40 and 50 cents, selling at the top. And we recently bought the dip on XRP, Bitcoin, all these coins at the very bottom here, literally at $1.96 was when the last buy alert for XRP was. To join the community and have access to the signals, join the Patreon right now. And another thing that's gonna help you guys is ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing gave you a buy alert at the very bottom at $1.97, and you guys can try today for $1 today. It's gonna give you sell alerts at the tops, when to take profits. This thing is incredibly powerful. It's gonna help you to visually see when to buy and sell so that you always know what to do. You also, if you're gonna be trading cryptos, make sure you are trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. They give you guys $10,000 deposit bonuses if you sign up using my link below, but you're gonna be able to also buy cryptos on spot, which has the cheapest fees on the internet. This is where I recommend that you guys trade. Now, this week is going to be incredibly volatile. We have CPI, PPI, all this data, which the stock market could potentially de-risk. We're seeing right now the stock market futures de-risking a little bit. Gold is pumping, which is bullish. So this week is going to be incredibly volatile. It could provide an opportunity if you missed the move to get in on a dip. And I'm talking about for XRP. You might be able to see 260, 255, maybe the lower end around 250, 245. This could be a good opportunity if we do get a flush or crash to buy XRP, or if you're already holding to even buy more XRP. So get ready, guys. It's going to be absolutely crazy. I do think that we're going to continue pushing higher despite the volatility, but after such a strong, massive move, do expect some type of pullback. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.